In this video, you will learn how to navigate our Session 3 in using digital portfolios to foster student learning. So the first thing you want to do is go into our course at coursesites.com. Once you are in the course, you're going to go to Content. If you click on Content, you will see all of our content and the sessions that have been posted. We are now on Session 3, selecting the right tool, Google Sites. So right here is an overview, and then you also have a checklist. So we have some readings, an activity, a discussion board, and then optional tools to explore. So to get into Session 3, you're going to click on the title, and that'll first take you to the readings. There are 3 websites to go to review some articles on digital portfolios and Google Sites. This third one here, Real World Examples, is a presentation that was done by myself and a coworker about digital portfolios and about Google Sites. I gave you the part that was about Google Sites and some examples here of a Stafford High School teacher using Google Sites, and then also a Colonial Forge art teacher using Google Sites. So that's kind of interesting to look at. The next one, page 2, is activity 1, to create an example of a Google site. So here we're going to try it. Now again, remember, this is just an example. This is just to get your feet wet with Google Sites. So I am not expecting anything really fancy, just to know that you know where to go to find sites, how to set up sites, and so on. So some helpful videos here will help you. There are 2 help videos on how to set up a Google site with a portfolio aspect. The other one you'll see here is written directions, which are Google Sites written directions. And these directions are directions on Google Sites that you can print out if you need to help you create your site. Once you're done with that, activity 2 is to complete part 4 of your digital portfolio design plan. And basically in there you're going to talk about Google Sites and how you can see yourself using sites with digital portfolios. The next one is our discussion board. So you're going to click here to where it says click to launch. And then you're going to create a thread just like we've done in past sessions. Your subject can be Google Sites or what your subject is, or whatever subject you choose. And then you want to answer the question here, or the description of what your thread should be about. Click submit and it'll submit right onto our discussion board. I'm going to cancel that right now, and I'm going to go back up here where my cookie trail is, or my crumb trail. I'm going to click over to the discussion board. It'll take me back to all the discussion boards, and if I click here to content, it'll take me right back to all of the sessions, back to session 3. And I'm going to move over to our 4th page, which was our discussion board, and then the last one, this is optional. So if you are not a Google Sites fan and you want to find something else that might work better for you, there are other options here as well that you can take a look at that work great also for digital portfolios. And when you're done with that, that is it for session 3. The second help video in your email for session 3 was about how to upload your Google site to our discussion board. So please take a look at that when you can. Thank you.